Good morning. It is July 5th while I'm filming my day 21 of Junk Journal July, and the prompt is colors. And the only thing I know that I want to do is use these colorful chameleons as my background. I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. We did. We just had one hiccup. We thought that the fireworks were going to be on the 4th of July, and they aren't. They're today. And so our daughter missed the professional fireworks, but we had our own, so it wasn't too bad. And she and our little grandson just had a blast watching those fireworks. We've thought about taking her to the fireworks tonight, but we think it might be too disruptive to her schedule and the house schedule, so we're not sure if we're going to do that or not. But she actually handled the disappointment quite well. So I think I'm going to use this Fabri-Tac for putting this paper down because it's almost empty and I'm trying to, be done with it so I can move on. I actually already did open my other bottle because I wanted it to be easy to open for the glue to come out. That's the problem. I have to keep this one upside down now to get the glue to come out fast. So I guess it's not really a problem, but it's annoying. So we're going to put our colorful little chameleons here, and then honestly don't know what else I'm going to do, but I've been waiting for an excuse to use this paper. I don't know, I think I may have used it somewhere else, but not this journal. I've also got lots of different colored envelopes, which I could put on, but then I'm just kind of, how about a colorful library card pocket? I got all different colored library cards, and I do have a clear pocket. I think this is just the background. Here we go. I could put a clear pocket instead of a library card pocket, and then that would not hide my colorful chameleons. So I'm probably going to do that. I'm not going to do a library card pocket because I don't want to cover up all the chameleons, but I don't even know if I want to put a library card in here now because it's not a library card pocket. Maybe I could put a colorful tag. I think this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of the envelopes and put a colorful tag in the thing here, and I actually could, let's see if this will fit. I could use this, and maybe I could put some different colored fabrics or different colored papers. But what I also want to do is cut this side off and cut this off here. Because I don't know, maybe I could cut both corners off. That wouldn't be too bad. Alright, I think that is our plan. We'll put the envelopes away and get busy with this plan by taking another card, turning it over, and making our little cuts. Alright, so now we've got that. And I will come back when I have my papers or fabrics picked out. Alright, so I have this little paper pad from Dollar General, and I thought I would just take some of these and just cut out some squares and rectangles. I don't know if I should have actually cut the taken the paper out, but we'll have some little rectangles and squares to work with. Alright, we got some pink here, and I do like the rainbow. I think, let's see if I can just like slide it in and cut some of it off instead of taking every page out, you know? And I think I'm going to kind of skip that one. I mean, I'm not skipping it, but I like the closer together. Are they closer together? Oh, not really. They're not. Why does that seem closer together to me? Well, it's not. So, I think, what if I can get this white strip off? Maybe a little bit. It's going to move too much. It's too late, I think. We'll find out. Maybe not. There we go. Okay, I'm going to keep this one long because I might want to put it all the way across. This is pretty. Let's get some of these. I don't know how many strips I'm actually going to need. Let's make a 1-inch strip. Okay. Actually, this is kind of cute too. What else have we got? I feel like that's maybe too busy. Let's make a 1-inch strip. Or thereabouts. And then we'll just kind of cut it right there. What else have we got in here that would look cute on there? I feel like this would be pretty, but I would want to cut it down this way, so I'm going to have to take this one out. Because I want to get all the colors, not just one color, one strip of color. Let's make this a little bit wider. Alright. Okay, we got that. Let's go for one more, and then we'll see. That's cute. See if we need anything else. I thought there was more polka dots. This one I must have used already. I don't see it. Maybe this one. And then we'll see how it looks. If we need more, I'll cut more. Alright, I don't think we're going to need more though. So I'm covering this side, and I'm not going to sew. We'll have space on the back to write. And, yeah. So, I don't know, maybe a smaller piece to begin with. Here we go, we'll kind of put that there. I'm going to use my glue stick for now. And hopefully, or maybe I should just go ahead and do it right on here. That might actually work better. So we're going to do that. Okay, so that's on there. What about across the top here? I'm going to speed up this process because nobody needs to be bored with this. Well, that fit perfectly. I couldn't have done that if I tried. Alright. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're happy and healthy and strong. I'm going to have to cut little strips for there, but I'll just put them on and then trim them off. And I do think I might want some... Here, let's use this smaller one. Never mind. I might want to add some more patterns to this. Okay, I'm going to just kind of mark it and cut it before I put it down. There, that's almost the same as that, so actually it's a little bit too short anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this about here. And I'm just going to do that. Okay, don't stick to the paper, I need to put some glue under here too. And then we have here a little tiny strip there. Maybe I'll put that there. I just want the tiniest little strip. Or maybe not. Maybe a little bigger. Like this. It's all the same colors, circles. Let's put it this way. There. What else? I feel like... What's this one? I want that one right away. Don't have any rainbows yet. Cut right there. Now, nobody is going to be able to say this is not colorful. You can say whatever you want about it, but you can't say it's not colorful. And I think I am going to put an eyelet at the top. I think we'll put a long skinny strip of something right down here. This. Is that straight? I don't think that's straight. There, that's straight now. Okay, maybe some more pink here. Oh, it's just barely. Maybe I'll just go ahead and... No, that's too much pink, I think. Too much pink. Let's go ahead and cut this off, too. There we go. Okay, I think we can do it with what we've got. We don't have any of this down here. We need a smaller piece of something. I want to put a bigger piece of this down at the bottom, maybe. I can cut the bottom off, actually. Let's do that. It's not quite long enough, so I'm just going to cut that little strip off. And now we just need something here and here. And I'm thinking maybe a rainbow. Right here. It won't be the whole rainbow, but you'll be able to see some of it. Cut this. I'm just gonna... You think I can do it straight? Nope. See how that looks there. That's good. I think that's fine. And now something right here, which should be... What? What should it be? Can't be this. Can't be this and can't be this. This, it could be. Okay. So let's see where I need to trim it. Right here. Okay. This way. There we go. So we've got that. Let's trim off all our extra pieces. You know what? I'm going to do what I've seen other people do. I'm going to use my blade. But first I need my glasses. Okay, I've got my blade. Oh, that came out nice. I'm going to leave it at this. Look, though. Look, I can't stand that. Oh my gosh. There, finally. I'm not trimming any more of that off. I think I might ink it in pink. Ink and pink. Edge it in pink ink. And we still need to put the eyelet in there, which will not be pink because I don't have a pink one. I do have purple. So I think we'll do it in purple. And then I need to come up with a really nice quote about colors. I know that colors make me happy and cheerful. I do not like drab and dreary things, and I think that's why I don't love the vintage style, because it's so drab. We're also going to need a focal point on here. But let's see what we've got so far. We can put our pocket on now. This has just got it's just like a big sticker. Come off, paper. There. So we're going to put this here so that we don't mess up any of our colors. This is going to, or cover up any of our colors. This is going to be here. Whoops. In here, like that. So it's just temporarily covering things up. So that's not that much of a problem. This is. So we get that down. Let me get my my eyelets, and we'll get that taken care of. We'll put a little topper on it and figure out our quote. That's better, but it didn't really smush it much. Oh my gosh. What do we gotta do? I think that worked. Yes, it's a little sharp though. That's the only thing. I found this ribbon, so these are the two settings that we want to work. At least on mine. We've got this cute ribbon. I thought it was colorful. I thought it would look good in there. So let's cut that off and get that through. I think to get it to look the way I want, I need to put it through the front. There. No. Yeah. Through the front to get the most color showing. We'll see. Yeah, that's how I wanted it. So we got that. That looks cute. I've got glue on the back of this. See if I can get some of that off with my little magic glue eraser from Dollar Tree. Yep. This was a spot that was already on there. I don't know what that is. Okay, that's good. And I need to come up with my quote. Alright, so I've found my quotes, and I think I'm going to use this flower kind of right here as my focal point in the middle here. It's not quite in the middle, is it? Okay, is that better? Okay, and I was thinking too, maybe I'll add a couple of little flowers down here. I don't know, maybe on this side. Okay. Put this one up here. Alright, so here are my quotes. Color is a power which directly influences the soul, by Wassily Kandinsky. Life is too short to live in black and white. I couldn't find out who said that quote. I am a believer that color affects people's moods, and let me tell you, I agree with that wholeheartedly, by Lily Pulitzer. And there's a reason why we don't see the world in black and white. And I interpret that to mean there's a reason why our eyes were created to see colors. And that is because colors do change our mood and help our mood. And this is by Celery Kemble. And we're just going to go ahead and put that right in there. I put my number on it, and that's it for 21, which was color. Thanks so much for watching, and stay strong, courageous, safe, happy, and well. We'll see you next time for, what is it? Timeless tip-ins. Maybe I'll do a combo of timeless and tip-ins, or timeless and ephemeral. Ephemeral, I looked up what that means, and it's like something that is only temporary, sort of like tickets and things like that, as far as paper ephemera. And so timeless and temporary together. That might be cool. Anyways, we'll see tomorrow what I do with all the rest of the prompts. Well, not all the rest of the prompts, but whether I want to combine timeless with something. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.